Guys, now it is time for Azure Lab of the 100 days of collab. So today is day 41. So the title is Working with Azure Table Storage. Okay, great. So let me click the start button and let me go to appdrawer.com. So for Azure Lab, probably we have to wait around 2 minutes. All you need is the plan and the roadmap and then the courage to press on to your destination. Okay, great. So let me copy first and let me paste right here. So we will read it right now. The given instruction is the notorious depth of chain is developing a simple to-do application using Azure Table Storage. So to store and manage tasks efficiently, so the chain is to create an Azure table to host tasks, each identified by a unique task ID. So each task will have a description and its status, which indicates the progress of the task and completed of in progress. So your task is create an Azure Storage account name. So account name is here Natalia's table st7964 with a table storage name called tsk as test. So insert the following task into the table. So the first one is partition key. So partition key is task and RowKey is 1. Description is learn table storage. Status completed. And then partition key also again. RowKey is 2. Description in beta to do app. Status in progress. So one is for completed, one is for in progress. So verifying that task 1 has a status completed and task 2 has a status in progress. Okay, so let me copy this whole sentence and let me find a Google. So I never trying to remember the comments. That's from okay, so we need to get the resource group name. So let me find that resource group name is up group list. Okay, great. So now we're gonna create the storage account. So storage account, so here is the resource group name. So I will copy the resource group name and I will replace right here. So storage account name is already correct. We don't need to fix that. And then location is East US region. That's fine. So and then standard type, SKU type standard LRS, and then kind is storage v2. That's fine. So great. So now we run this to create a storage account. And after that, we're gonna have to create the storage table. So storage table name is task as task. So here is account name is correct, and so auto mode is login. Great. So it is ready to run this command. So it is stay running. Okay, right here. So I will create the storage table. So great. So here return value is true. Now we're gonna insert the following text into the table. So I will copy these whole things and I will answer right here. So for the first task, we will run this command. So here we can analyze the comments. Account name is we have to get the same name, and table name is also the same. So entity value here we have to get a partition key is task, and row key is 1. Description is learn table storage right here, learn table storage, and data is completed. So okay, now we run this for the first task. So and after that we're gonna create the second task. So we're gonna insert the second task. So second task is, oh, here we have an error. What's that? Ambiguous option. So wait, table name is, or table name or account. So that will be the table name. So here EI is not correct. Okay, EI gave me table argument, not table name, so I make it correct. So that will be correct. So here I also need to change that into the table name. This one is not correct. So this is for the second task. So second task is data is in progress, and row key is 2, and description is B to do app. All right. So I will run this. Okay, that's it. So here, okay, let me find this in the. Okay, let me find a new tab. How to verify for the status of task in Azure Table Storage from terminal. Okay, so I will run this. Here is, we need to know the account key, our partition key. How to get the partition key? Okay, let me get the partition key. So here I don't need an account key. Let me remove the account key. So account name is right here. Okay, great. And then table name is tax. So let me run this. So I don't get here any partition key. So okay, story account key. Let me find the story account key. How to get story account key in Azure from terminal. So okay, so here is resource group name is, I need to replace correct resource group name. So resource group name is this, and account name is right here, story account name. And then I will remove this. Great. I will run this. Okay, I will get the account key. So key name is key 1, key 2. Okay, let me use this, the first one. Okay, great. So I will add this line right here. Okay. Oh, sorry. So that will be this. What is that? This one. Okay, I will remove this. So now I will replace this one. Okay, now we run this. So I don't see any response from here. Account key. I want to get the partition key. Okay, so here I will ask. Okay, finally let me ask right here. So okay, so I can run this for the status. Okay, so that would be accurate. Here also the AI does not give me the correct one. That would be name. So okay, great. So let me run this. Okay, so we see the status completed. How about the second text? So second text is also here. I had to change into the table name. Okay, let me run this. Okay, status is in progress. That's great. Here also description is correct, and ETA is also correct, and timestamp and RowKey is correct. Alright, so now let me check it out for the final step and click confirm. I hope you will be successful. We just do step by step correctly right here. So the first thing is we create storage account, and after that we create table storage. So finally we added 2 tags with their related descriptions. So finally we did it, right? So now it's been successful. So I will start here. This is yes, no issue faced. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again.